Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Formalu, a tool that claims to create unlimited superforms, surveys, and quizzes in a few clicks. So Formalu is a no-code platform that enables you to build custom forms, quiz, surveys, database, and even mobile apps up to 10 times faster. So it's an alternative to Typeform and Gravity Forms, and the tool has great limits for only one code. As you can see here, the license tier 1 will allow you to create unlimited surveys in the Pro plan with only the 3 team members limit. So the only difference between the tiers are the team members with a detail on the last tier that I'm going to show you. So you get all the features with only one code, about one code, because 3 team members is enough for me, but you get everything with one code and 10 GB per team member. So 30 GB on the license tier 1. If you get more codes, you will get more team members. And with the 5th code, the license tier 5, you're gonna get SSO and enterprise controlled database encryption. So let's take a look how the tool works. Here's the Formalu dashboard, and the UI is pretty simple, so you will not have any problem to understand what to do here. As you can see here on the up right, you have your payment methods, API key and token, and your settings. On settings, you can change your details and also your subdomain here. You can change your subdomain. Also, you can have a custom domain. So you can just add your custom domain on Formalu. So you can have, for instance, subdomain.yourcompany.com. So you can white label Formalu for your needs, and I'm going to show you some of the templates that they have. There are a lot of templates up to now, as you can see here on the left: logic and conjunctions, lead generation, healthcare, business, education, etc. Let's check an education template. So let's check that demo. The math quiz are pretty difficult. Let's check this one. So you can see here that's a TED Talk template. Start, you can see exactly how it works. You can embed videos there, so you can create a form to recommend some videos to your audience, selecting your topic. Okay, let's check out another one. Webinar registration. So you can see here the templates. Okay, pretty simple, and you register. And let's say that I want to select that template. So I can pick the template here. And this is how it works. I can change the email and add blocks on my form. Here is the template form. You can start from scratch, or you can also select a template. That's the case here. So let's say that I want to add a video of my webinar. So I just drag and drop here, and I have a video option. Here I can add the title of my video, add descriptions with links, etc. And I can add my video link here. For instance, I'm gonna go to YouTube to select a video. I just selected a video and it's on my form, as you can see here. So everything is about dragging and drop. So it's pretty easy to create a form. So let's say I want to add another field, for instance, a score field, and I want to add here. So I have a score field. Do you like our project? Please rate our project. 0 to 10. And you can also add message for maximum score and minimum score, and it's done. So it's everything about dragging and dropping using the fields that they have. Okay, a lot of fields here. They also support conditional logic for quizzes. So you have absolutely almost all the features of the usually form SaaS tools have. On setting, you can select the address of your form, divide them by categories, limit one entry per AP, also using the custom domain. You can add a date to start the form and a date to end the form. You can redirect your users after the submission to another URL, add the timers, and also form with payment. Okay, you can have payment methods on Formalu. Here you can do the design. You can choose if you're gonna use as a widget or if you're going to use as a single step, so everything on the same page, or as a multi-step that will be more like a dynamic form. Okay, and here you can change all colors. You can use one of the default themes that they have. Just click on the themes, change the background image, adding shadow or not, and you can add fields. Also fields here. You can receive files, etc. Notifications, you can receive an email every time that someone register, in that case for your webinar. Have a calculator, you can add logic to your forms, and here you can see the results. Okay, here on the end. You can preview your form and here you save. Pretty easy. When you save, you already have your link and you can share with your audience. Here you can see how it works. So start. I choose the multi-step one, so it will show one step per time. I think it's better. And here you can see the percentage, like Typeform. Pretty like equal Typeform. You can totally replace Typeform to Formalu. It's an awesome tool. With only one code you get everything, so it's like a kind of a no-brainer. Name, mail address, and completing the form in a multi-step way. Okay, so that is Formalu. I hope I submit it and it's done. I hope you like that review. If you like it, please click on the button on the description or on the comments to help me keep going. Discover Formalu, get it because it's good. Bye bye.